So remember, yesterday we talked about an attorney contacts you and informs you that a distant relative left you $200,000. The attorney also suggested that you're gonna, you should probably invest your inheritance. And then you decided that you're going to pick 8 stocks that are publicly traded, research them, and decide on which 3 to invest in. And lastly, you'll predict how much money you'll have 20 years from now based on current market trends. Now, this is not exact. You may have more, you may have less. So then the next thing we would do in Canvas is we would go to Yahoo Finance and we would research the companies that we want to invest in. I'm going to put my face here. And I just type in, give me a name of a company. Huh? I didn't hear you. What? Let's just do Tesla. That seems to be a popular one. Tesla's right here. We click on that. And you did a bunch of research. The internet is really slow. I don't know why it's so slow when I go to do these things, but it is. Of course. There it is. So what I want to do is I want to do the full screen, and I want to go back 5 years. Okay? And that's it. Now, the next thing I want to do, make sure everybody has their Chromebooks open. What I'd like for you to do is open up a new tab. Okay? And over here where the waffle is, click on that. See this green thing that says Sheets? Do you guys have that? All right. We're going to start to fill out the spreadsheet. So click on Sheets. We're going to start collecting this data. Okay? We're going to start collecting this data. So put new blank sheet. Okay? And then up here, click on the title, and I want you guys to type in Stock Market Project. And then put your first and last name. Okay? Put your first and last name. And at some point in time, I'm going to have you share that information with me, okay? And then I'm going to zoom in a little bit so I could see it a little better because I'm old. Actually, I want to make sure that you guys can see it in the back too if you need to. Maybe we'll do it like that. All right. So here's what we need to do is we're going to set up a spreadsheet. And this spreadsheet is for us to keep our information. It's going to help us make predictions and stuff like that. So the first thing that we want to track is, let's type in date. And I'm going to move this over here. Let's type in date. Whoops. And then for the next one, how far do we want to go back? Let's go back 5 years. So we'll say months since 2016. No, wait, what's 5 years back? 18? And then if you click up here, you could slide that over a little bit. And then you could slide your date over a little bit. Then in this next one, I want you to type stock. value, and then make a little $sign. Okay. Then click where it says C, and I want you to go to Format, click on Format, and then Number, and then we're going to do Currency. This one right here. So go to Format, then select Number, then Currency, and then any number you put in here will be a dollar amount. Then over here, I want you to type company. Then in the next one, I want you to type ticker symbol. Okay. You guys with me so far? I'll give you a second to type that. Then I want you to type Y intercept. Then I want you to type slope. Then type value per share in 2023. Then you're going to type in the word months. Then just put 20, I'm sorry, 43. Go back and change this to 43. Okay. Then put value in 2023. Number of shares. Investments. Make that a $sign there. Then type in approximate net worth in 2043. Okay. Next, we're going to do some formatting and some conditioning of some things, so that way we know what to put where. So what I suggest is that we go and if you hold your shift button and click on A, whoops, not shift, hold on. If you click on A and then shift, then B, then C, Okay, we're going to see this little grid here. We're going to put a border on there. So click that menu down, and we're going to just do this all borders. Okay. Then we're going to do, for all of these on the top, if you hit Shift and then click way down here in this far corner, do the same thing. We're going to put all borders. We're going to do the same thing here. Select all borders. And then here and here. We're going to select all borders. Okay. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to whatever stock I've written down, whatever one I've chosen, and I'm going to, let's say I chose Tesla. So then I'm going to put in Tesla's information. So for my company name, I'm going to type Tesla. You put in your company name. And then I'm going to type in the ticker symbol. This is the ticker symbol, TSLA. So over here, I'm going to type in TSLA, all caps. All right. And then down here, I'm going to go click on this arrow and then rename it as Tesla. Okay. Oh, lastly, you should probably share this with Mr. Adams. So type in share. And down here, you're going to say anyone with a link. And you type in T. Adams. Okay? But before you send that to me, make sure it says editor. So that way, if you have a problem, and you're like,